Hello YouTubers and gig workers, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great time wherever you are. So today, I'll be working skip the dishes only. No multi-apping. I have a shift with skip the dishes from 4:45, but I'm late. So I just log in. Now it's 4:51 until 8:45. So it's a 4-hour shift. But I'm not gonna be working 4 hours. I'll see how it goes. It gets slow by 7. Maybe that's it. So come along for the ride. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, watch the video to the end because I give the summary at the end, and leave a comment down below. So it's 4:52. I've skipped the dishes running and I'm waiting for my first order. So I have a first order from Skip the Dishes. This is the new update on the app. It's orange now. Order match $7 going 5.8 kilometers. I'll accept that. So Skip the Dishes doesn't show the item, like what's the customer order, if they order baconator. Thank you. And customer says here, leave it on doorstep, do not ring doorbell. Thank you. See, do not ring the doorbell. You deliver order. That one pays $7. So I have another order here, $7.99 going 7 kilometers. Park at the restaurant, swipe the park. The customer live in a trailer park. Finally I arrived. This deliver that order. I'll give you guys an update later. If you want to see that. Getting all these trailer park place. It's crazy. It's so hard to figure out because there's no GPS for trailer park. I don't think so. Because he's telling me somewhere else to go. So the time is 5:51. I started at 4:51 and I'm at $14.99 in 1 hour. Just skip the dishes only. My finger is like, oh, should I log in Uber Eats? So I'll be sitting here. I didn't do skip the dishes for a while, so that's why I want to do a 4 hours or 3 hours, see how much you could make. So finally, $7 going 2.1 kilometers. I'll accept that. It's the McDonald's. I'm parking the McDonald's parking lot, so it's right behind me there. Customer is 6 minutes away. Deliver order. Right now I'm $21 and it's 6:17. Their food is sitting in the sun and nobody's getting it. Damn it. So I finally got another order. Burger King, $7, 2.3 kilometers. And the time is 6:51, 2 hours, and right now I'm at $22. Not great so far. Skip the dishes. Not great, not great. So I accept that order from Skip the Dishes. and my car would not start. What the heck? Let's see if it's gonna start. But the car wouldn't start. So I had to text Skip the Dishes customer support. I had to text them to remove that order. Nothing. I don't know if it's the battery, alternator, or starter, but I walked to Canadian Tires. It was like 5 blocks, and I bought a battery and I put it in the backpack and I walk with it back here, and I'm just gonna put that on now, see if it works. Hopefully that's the problem. Around 5 blocks, yeah. A good 15 minutes walk with it. And I'm just gonna try it now, see if it works. Hopefully. So this is the old battery. I think it's need to be changed. It's been 5 years now since I changed it. Plus it was an old battery, second hand, so I put it in there. I hope that's the problem. So I put it on. Let's see what happened. This one here. Finger crossed. Woohoo! Yes! Hello guys, so here's the summary. If you made it this far to the video, you know what happened to my car. I didn't finish my shift, so I made $21.99. The first one was $7. Transit $3.99, top up $154, tip $147. Second one, transit $3.49, tip $4.50. And third one, transit $3.49 and tip $3.51. So equal of $21.99. So actually I can't remember how many hours I work. I think I finished, my car broke down around 7 something. I have to go back and check the video. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up. You can leave a comment down below. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.